Possessives. What does the term possessive tell us? Ownership, yes. Belongingness, okay. Suppose take this pen and I am saying that this is my pen, which in other words I mean that I am telling you to whom this pen belongs. Suppose this is your pen. How will I say? This is your pen. Means you are the possessor of this pen. This pen belongs to you. So the words like his, her, my, your, its, their, these words tell us possession of a noun or an object or a person. Correct. So these words are called as possessives. And today we are going to learn possessives under determiners. The possessives always refer to the possessor. And who's the possessor? The owner of the thing that we are talking about. Look at all these examples and I'll explain you how the possessor is linked to the possessive. I must do my duty. Now what happens here is, in such sentences, the possessor is always the subject of the sentence. And who's the subject? Subject is the person who does the action. So in this sentence, I is the subject, or in other words, he is the possessor. I must do my duty. Now this possessor, I, will be linked to a possessive in this sentence. And which is the possessive? This is the possessive. So the subject I will be changed into my. Look at the change in the possessives. I will become my, we will become our, you becomes your, they becomes their, he becomes his, and she becomes her. Now these words my, our, your, their, his, her, they are called as possessive adjectives. Why adjectives? Because they will always fall before a noun. I gave you an example in the beginning also. This is my pen. Now if you look at the sentence, or you listen to the sentence carefully, my pen. Now after the possessive my, I am using the noun pen. So if a possessive comes before a noun, it becomes a possessive adjective. Till now we have learned that possessives are used as adjectives, but sometimes the possessives can come after the noun also, and in that case they become possessive pronouns. Now in that case, the meaning of the sentence will not change. It's just that the words will change their places. Let's have a look at these sentences changed into possessive pronouns. This is my house. Okay, so here my is a possessive adjective. But this my will become mine if I put it after the noun. Like this house is mine. Now in this sentence, what is the noun? The noun is house. And this house or this noun is coming before the possessive. So mine here becomes possessive pronoun. Now just notice the difference in the word. When it is a possessive adjective, it is termed as my. But when the same thing becomes a pronoun, it is written as mine. Look at the next sentence. That is your bag. Now here, your is the possessive adjective because it is coming before the noun bag. But in the next sentence, this bag is yours. Now here is called here as possessive pronoun. Again, if you notice the difference here, in as possessive adjective, it is written as your, but as possessive pronoun, the same word will be written as yours with S. These are her children. Can you pick out the possessive here? Her. Correct. Now, and because this is coming before the noun, it is called as possessive adjective. Correct. Now, the same sentence is changed like this. These children are hers. Which is the possessive pronoun here? Hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun because it is coming after the noun children. Correct? Yes. So hers becomes the possessive pronoun here. And did you notice the change in the word? As adjective, it is written as her, while as pronoun, it is written as hers. Look at the last sentence now. Those are his cars. Where is the possessive adjective here? Tell me. His. Correct. Okay. Now, the same thing is changed here. Those cars are his. Where is the possessive pronoun here? Correct. His is the possessive pronoun here because it is coming after the noun cars. Now, can you differentiate between the two words here? Well, the spelling doesn't change here. In case of his, you already have S here, so you won't add another S there. The spelling will remain the same, but the position of this word will tell us whether it's an adjective or a pronoun. Therefore, his as an adjective will be the same as his as a possessive pronoun. Here's a small table in front of you which shows that how a personal pronoun is changed into possessive adjective or a possessive pronoun. Now here the point to remember is that when we change into possessive pronouns, we always add S at the end of the word. If you can see in the table, you will find this. Except the word its. Its is always used as possessive adjective, not as possessive pronoun. So just remember to avoid this mistake. Don't say this is mine book. You can either say this is my book or this book is mine. The meaning remains the same. Alright, let's rack our brains and do this quick exercise. Sophie has done her homework. Has Karina done? Will it be her or hers? Hers, yes, because after the blank you do not have a noun. So it is going to take possessive pronoun, correct, not possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun is with S. So we are going to write here hers. Remember that we will not write apostrophe S, it's only S. Next, if you both bring your bats, we will become ours. Correct. We will bring ours. Now again, this is possessive pronoun because there is no noun after it. Next, Sheila, this pen is dash and that one is dash. What can we fill here? Sheila, this pen is yours with an S. This pen is yours and that one is mine because mine will become mine as a pronoun here. Next, is it dash seat? Now look, see here, there is a noun after the blank, which means we have to fill in a possessive adjective here, correct? So, and in possessive adjectives, we will not write S. So, is it your seat? Correct. Right? The last one, can you lend me dash notebook? Can you lend me your notebook? Correct. Without S. That's it in this session today. And before I wrap up my video, I must remind you to differentiate between a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun depending on the case it is used. Please avoid making that mistake and be very careful about these ones because they are sometimes very confusing. Thank you very much and take very good care of yourself.